Today I'm going to show you how to easily add lightning in Adobe Photoshop. First go to File, Place Embedded, and place your second image. Drag the opacity slider all the way to 50%. Adjust the size, angle, and position. Press Enter on your keyboard. Set the opacity back to 100%. Now change the blending mode of this layer from normal to screen. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Hold the Alt key to split the black slider and drag it to the right. Then press OK. Now press Ctrl J to duplicate. Then press Ctrl I to invert. And change the blending mode to divide. Decrease the opacity all the way to 18%. Select the two layers by holding down Shift key. Then right-click and group from layers. I'm going to name this Lightning. Make a copy of it by pressing Ctrl J. Press Ctrl T to free transform. Right-click and choose the flip horizontal. Now drag the copy to another spot. Hit Enter once you're satisfied. Click on the adjustment layer icon, then create a new color lookup. From the drop-down, select Foggy Night. I'll decrease the opacity all the way to 25%. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.